Neuralink, Elon Musk's startup, has obtained FDA approval to conduct human trials. This promising breakthrough could potentially open the door to restoring functions like sight and mobility in people with disabilities. In a world driven by innovation and the quest for new horizons, Neuralink emerges as a startup founded by visionary Elon Musk. This company aims to revolutionize how we interact with technology by directly interfacing it with our brains. Elon Musk, renowned for his pioneering projects at SpaceX and Tesla, has turned his focus to the field of neurotechnology through Neuralink. His vision is ambitious: to create a highly efficient brain-computer interface that enables direct communication between the human brain and machines. In 2020, Neuralink, Elon Musk's startup, announced plans to initiate clinical trials in humans with brain implants that would allow direct communication between brains and computers, potentially restoring lost vision and mobility. However, the start of trials was delayed, and the chips are still in the testing phase. Recently, Neuralink has received FDA approval to begin clinical trials in humans, after suggesting that the trials were still about 6 months away from starting last December. While the company has not recruited participants or provided details about the trials, initial trials often prioritize safety over effectiveness. No additional information has been registered in the official clinicaltrials.gov database. Since 2016, Elon Musk's company has been developing chips for brain implants, particularly for individuals with various disabilities. Furthermore, Neuralink is working on a surgical robot to carry out the implantation, which will also require FDA approval. Musk's company has encountered various challenges in its development. In March of the past year, the FDA rejected approval for human trials. Additionally, accusations of animal mistreatment during primate testing emerged, along with a U.S. Department of Transportation investigation into the alleged transportation of contaminated implants. Nonetheless, Neuralink managed to address the FDA's inquiries and gained approval for its first human clinical study in a surprisingly short time. The company celebrated this milestone and emphasized its collaboration with the FDA as a significant step toward using its technology to assist many people. What the Neuralink chip is and how it works. The Neuralink company is developing implantable devices for the brain to establish a connection with computers. Its goal is to enhance human capabilities and treat neurological conditions. These chips have applications in individuals with disabilities, enabling the restoration or enhancement of damaged sensory and motor functions. For instance, a person with paralysis could control a robotic arm using their mind thanks to this chip. The Neuralink brain-computer interface is completely implantable, invisible to the naked eye, and designed to provide control over computers or mobile devices anywhere. The implant uses extremely thin threads that are precisely and efficiently placed by a surgical robot designed for this purpose. According to the company itself, the objectives of the Neuralink chip are as follows: develop a high-bandwidth brain-computer interface that enables communication and control of external devices using the mind. Study and treat neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, epilepsy, paralysis, or depression. Merge human intelligence with artificial intelligence to enhance cognitive abilities and prevent being overtaken by AI. The Neuralink N1 chip has a diameter of 8 mm and contains thin wires, similar in size to brain neurons. These wires contain electrodes and insulation. The chip is implanted in the brain without interfering with veins or arteries, thanks to the precise design of the robot used in the procedure. Neuralink's goal is to improve independence and quality of life by providing a brain-computer interface experience that enables rapid and reliable control of computing devices, prioritizing ease of use. This includes the ability to control computers, smartphones, and other devices without the need for physical touch. How it works. The Neuralink chip captures electrical signals from the brain when a person thinks or performs actions. It is connected to thin threads containing electrodes, which are inserted into different brain areas based on what needs to be measured or stimulated. For communication with a computer, the chip uses a wireless device located behind the ear. This bidirectional connection between the brain and the computer allows control of external devices and modification of brain function. The initial phase of Neuralink's project will focus on aiding the healthcare industry, especially paraplegic individuals, enabling them to perform simple tasks such as using a phone or controlling a computer. It will also be used for researching brain electrical signals and developing medications for various medical conditions. In the future, the hope is to restore speech, movement, and even memory. Additionally, there is potential for humans to communicate without speaking by reading each other's minds. The surgical procedure requires an initial incision of 2 mm that will dilate to 8 mm. After completing the surgery, the exposed skull region will be covered with the chip module. According to Elon Musk, chip installation can take up to 2 hours, and the user may be partially anesthetized throughout the surgery. Conclusion. The Neuralink startup, led by Elon Musk, is driving revolutionary advancements in the brain-computer interface. Their goal is to enhance human capabilities and treat neurological diseases through direct brain-to-technology connection. With FDA approval for human clinical trials, Neuralink is closer to realizing this futuristic vision. Subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up will help spread this information and keep you updated on the latest developments in artificial intelligence and technology. Join us to discover an exciting future where the mind and machine merge. Don't miss out.